Hello there, welcome back to the new lecture. So in this lecture we have to discuss how to link an architecture model in mechanical discipline. So let's start. So here we have to link the architecture model in mechanical discipline to perform heating and cooling load calculation, okay, by using energy modeling. So here first you have to open the Revit software. When you open the software, here you will get the recent file window. So this window is also called as a welcome window. So whatever project recently you have saved, so here you will get the preview of that model, okay. So and here you will get two options: model, under model open new. Same way under family you will get two options: open new, okay. So remember, we have a four types of Revit file. First is the project template file, which is used to create a new model. Suppose if you want to create a new model, so you have to open the project template file, or you want to create a new project, so that project will be created in project template file. Their file extension name is .rte, okay. Second, we have a project file. Suppose if you have created any project and you want to save that project, so that project will saved in which file? Project file, okay. Then file extension name is .rvt, correct. And the third one is the family template file. Suppose for example, if you want to create any family, any component in Revit, family means just a component. For example, in HVAC we have a diffuser, it is the one component. Same way, if you want to create the component or the group of component, for example chiller, cooling tower, AHU, any family you want to create in Revit, so that component or that family we have to create in family template file, okay. And next, fourth one is the family file. Suppose if you have created any component, now you want to save that component, so that component will save in the family files, okay. So these are the four types of Revit file. So under model you can see two option is given: open, new. Suppose if you want to open any existing project, so you have to hit on open, and from the desired location you can select that model and open it. But here we have to create a new model, so just in model hit on new. So as I told you, first we have to open the mechanical discipline. Why? Because here we are talking about HVAC service, na? We have to perform the heating and cooling load using energy modeling, so you have to open the mechanical discipline for that. Here you will get the option of browse, hit on that, and now under English imperial, in which you need to want to work, see here we have a both option. When you go back from here, English, different language is given, so we have to work in English language. Now here in English only we have two option: imperial means if you want to work in feet, inches, pounds, so you have to select the English imperial. Otherwise, if you want to work in metric unit, hit on English, but here I want to go for English imperial. Now under that, different discipline is given. So here default discipline is what? Is a architecture discipline. Suppose you want to create a new architecture model, just hit on default discipline, okay. Electrical, generally you have to open when you want to run the electrical services, okay. Mechanical discipline, plumbing, separate plumbing discipline they have given. In mechanical also you will get the plumbing, but separate also given. So here our main target is to open the mechanical discipline for, and see the file extension name .rt. I have told you, na, project template file is generally used to create a new project, okay, and the file extension name is .rt. So if you want to create a new project, so you have to open the project template file, just select that mechanical default, open it, then hit on OK. So here you will get the user interface of Revit, okay. So first try to understand the user interface, then I will show you. This is called as a tab, okay. Here in the top of the Revit user interface, here you will get the R application logo. If you want to close the project from here, you can just close it. Then we have a different tab like file tab, architecture tab, structure tab, okay. When you hit on architecture tab, here you will get some panel: build panel, okay, circulation panel, model, room and area panel, opening panel, datum panel, work plane panel. Same way in the left side you will get the properties palette, in the right side project browser, and this is your working window in which you are working. So now we have to see how to link that architecture model which I have shown you in the previous lecture. So simple. If you want to link that architecture model here in mechanical discipline, the first thing which you have to do, come here in the project browser, open any elevation. But before that, see, when you see in the project browser here, we have under mechanical, we have a HVAC also, plumbing. So we don't need the plumbing services right now. Select that, completes, right click, delete it. Okay, remove it from here. Now come here, any elevation, like suppose I am in north elevation. By default 2 level is given in Revit, so you can just remove it because we don't want this level. We have to copy and monitor the level of architecture model. I don't want this level, just select it, and from here modify panel, here you will get the option of delete. You can use the shortcut also, so just delete it. So see, the level is deleted. Now you have to come here to link the architecture model, hit on insert tab, link panel, link Revit, hit on link Revit. Now from where you want to link, so already I have saved that architecture model in desktop. You can save with the name School Central Revise. So select that model, you will get the preview. And the important thing is what, here you have to check the positioning, internal origin to internal origin, and see the file name is given .rvt. I have told you now, if you want to open the existing project and if you are saving that project as a, so that will save in the which file, project file, and their file extension name is .rvt. So here I have selected that model which I want to link in mechanical. Just open it. Now see, the model is ready here. We have linked that model. Now here you can also change the visibility. Here you can also change the visibility of this link model. Okay, so if you want to change, simple, come here in the manage tab, manage project, manage link option is given, which provide option for managing link file to building model. You from here you can manage the link file. Hit on manage link. Now see, the model which you have linked, it is given link name, School Central Revise, status is showing loaded, and save path is also given here. So here we have linked the Revit file. You can also link the IFFC, CAD format, DWG markup, point cloud, okay, different image, PDF file also you can link it. So here we have linked the Revit model, so it is given in Revit tab. See, the link name is given. Now let's say if you want to add any other model, let's say for example here I have linked only the School Central Revise. You want to add some other model, so hit on, you want to link any other model, just hit on add, and from their desired location you can select the model and link it. Okay, now if you want to do some settings are there, just select the School Central Revise. Right now this status is loaded. Okay, suppose you want to unload this drawing. If you select unload, what happen? Here different option is given. Add option already I have discussed. Now let's say status is loaded. When I hit on unload, see, they will give you the message, you cannot use the undo or redo button after unloading. Okay, see, now the status is okay. School Central, in background School Central Revise is link, it is loaded, but when you see the in floor plan view, but when you see in the working window, your central school building is not visible. See, I have hidden loaded. Okay, so can you see the school building is here? No, but in background it is inserted, means we have linked that in background, it is there. It is not completely removed from the mechanical discipline, it is there, but you can't see in the working window. So if you want to see, just manage tab, manage link, and now select that School Central Revise, and you have to what you have to do, you have to reload it from same location where you have saved. So hit on reload from, in desktop we have saved, select the school building and open it. Now see, just wait for some time. See, now the School Central Revise means school building is loaded now in stated. Hit on OK, and see, the school building is here. Can you see how to unload and reload the school building? Now another setting, come here in the manage link only. From here you can manage it. Select the school center. Suppose completely permanently if you want to remove this school building permanently from the mechanical discipline, so here remove option is given. When you hit on remove, so that school building will permanently remove from the mechanical discipline. Okay, now see, can you see the link name, any status is given? No, because it is removed permanently. Now again if you want, so manage link. So here either from here also you can do, otherwise same process. Insert tab, link Revit, select the school central revise from where you have saved the desired location, open it. Now see, that file is linked again. So you want to manage anything. If you want to manage the link file, so you can hit on manage link. Okay, now here, so each and every option I have discussed with you. Okay, so in this way we have to link the architecture school building in mechanical discipline, and if you want to manage the link file, so these are the options which you have to follow to manage the link file. I hope all of you understood this thing. Okay, so this is all about how to link an architecture model in mechanical discipline. I hope all of you enjoy the session. See you in next one.